street, racing in the fire truck, listen to the beat. Sirens wail, lights flash bright, zooming through the town in the middle of the night. Fireman, fireman, brave and strong, putting out the fires all day long. With a hose in hand and a ladder so high, he's the hero of the town. Watch him fly by. Fireman's cooking breakfast, ready for the day. But when the bell rings, he can't stay. Jumps in his boots, slides down the pole, off to save the day, that's his goal. Fireman, fireman, quick on the scene, putting out fires, keeping things clean. He's got a big hat and a jacket so red, saving the day while everyone's in bed. Fireman spots a cat stuck in a tree. Don't worry, little kitty, leave it up to me. He climbs up high with a smile so wide, rescues the cat and brings it back inside. Fireman, fireman, climbing up so tall, saving little kitties who start to fall. With a smile on his face and a wave so big, he's the coolest hero wearing that rig. Sprays water, puts out the flame. Everyone's cheering, shouting his name. The fire's out and the smoke is clear. Fireman's a hero, let's give a cheer. Fireman, fireman, splashing all around with his mighty hose. He cools it down, he saves the day and keeps us safe. With a brave big heart and a friendly face. Fireman gets tired, it's time to rest. But when the call comes, he's up and dressed. He hops in the truck with his big red hat, racing down the street, just like that. Fireman, fireman, splashing all around, ready to help in rain or snow. With his helmet on and his boots so tight, he's always prepared, day or night. Fireman's got friends who help him out. They work together, there's never a doubt. From driving the truck to spraying the spray,